incredibly honored. I can't believe that this is actually happening. I started my journey when I was just 16 years old and I fell in love with the world of pageantry since then. And I always knew that the universe was calling my name. And now I stand here as the first winner from Kerala and stand here as a winner of just 19 years of age. And I hope to represent India so beautifully at Puerto Rico this November. I'm so excited. I absolutely love Spanish culture as well. I think that Puerto Rico is an absolutely beautiful country and I'm so excited to show Puerto Rico what India is coming for. The biggest challenge always starts from within, and that is believing that you are worth it, believing that you are ready. So for me, the biggest challenge was deciding to rise again, to learn from my failures, learn from my mistakes and come back even more stronger and claim the universe.
I think जब टॉप 5 एक्चुअली अनाउंस हुआ बहुत एंग्शियस सी ऐसी एक फीलिंग होती है बट व्हाट आई लाइक टू से इज़ दैट आई थिंक 5 of us are actually representing all 50 of us, and I think we are so beautifully different, but I think it's just butterflies in your stomach every single time. But I'm so honored to have such a beautiful Miss Universe India and the 5 of us together. I think we're going to live this journey and have this sisterhood forever and ever. And I think the most beautiful part of this journey is actually making such good friendships, and I'm going to remember them and have some party afterwards. But thank you so much. I feel incredibly grateful tonight.
Well, I can only share gratitude. I feel extremely humbled and I feel a sense of pride in the way that I have marched forward on this journey. It's not been easy, but I'm so grateful, grateful to God that I get to stand on the stage that I dreamed of, and if anything, I'm grateful to my parents and everyone who has supported me in this journey.
जी आज का मोमेंट बहुत ही बेहद ख़ास था मेरे लिए, काफ़ी इमोशनल भी था बिकॉज आई वाज विद माय गुरु, माय मेंटोर, जिन्होंने 17.5 साल की जब मैं थी उन्होंने तब मुझ पे विश्वास किया. शी हैड दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीव एंड फेथ इन मी. दैट्स व्हाई शी मेड मी द विनर एंड आई फील आई एम जस्ट सो ब्लेस्ड टू बी क्राउन्ड बाय हर. Back in 14 years before, back in 2012, and I was just so happy, and I'm just so grateful to Sushmita Sen, my guru and my mentor for life. I had a lot of my life's first with her. She taught me so many things. So today was a full circle moment, and today was a great time we spent together. It was really nice.
मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया 2026 का सीज़न बहुत अच्छे कंपटीशन था, बहुत अच्छी लड़कियां थी. सबसे अच्छी बात यह है इन लोगों में जो फ्रेंडशिप दिखाई है, जिस तरह से एक दूसरे सपोर्ट किया है. आई हैव सीन गर्ल्स हु क्राइड फॉर द विनर फॉर विनिंग, एंड दैट्स रियली एक्सेप्शनल. दिस कैन ओनली हैपन एट अ पैजेंट. इट वाज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट चॉइस टू मेक बिकॉज it was very close call. We judges had to go through a voting system that who do we want to pick, and then that's how we went with the majority. And now we have Kezia as our new winner. She's just 19 and I'm sure that she's going to make us proud in Puerto Rico.